Okay, so this is question 7, our quadratic intensive class. Okay, part A. Solve the quadratic inequality x square minus 2x is greater than 35 by using the number line method. They already mentioned the method, so we have to obey that. So, first of all, make it like a normal quadratic equation. Bring the 35 to the left hand side and then try to factorize it as normal. So, x, you get 7 and 5. You need to get negative 2 means negative 7 and positive 5 lah. So once you get like this, you need to draw a number line. Okay, x plus 5, that means one of the root is negative 5. X minus 7, then another root is 7. Okay, now choose a value of x. Okay, if you want to, you need to choose at 3 sides lah, 3 region. Here you can choose x something smaller than negative 5. Maybe I choose negative 10. Here you need to choose between the second region, you need to choose between the x equal to negative 5 and 7. So maybe I choose 0, and here I'm choosing 10. Okay, try to substitute inside your quadratic inequality. So negative 7 minus 7 is negative 17. Negative 10 and positive 5 is negative 5. So negative negative, kamu akan dapat region positif lah. You can find out the answer as well. But the important thing is the symbol lah. So if you do this, you get 85. If I ganti 0, I will get negative 7 and positive 5, which is equals to negative 35, which is minus symbol. Okay, minus 35, right? If I'm using 10, 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 plus 5 is 15. You get 45. You get a positive symbol. Okay, now observe what symbol is this? Greater than, right? So if it is greater than, then choose the positive side only. Okay, this side and this side. So your x must draw the arrow like this lah, to show where is your inequality. Okay, and then so your x is lesser than negative 5 and x is more than 7. So that's how you solve the part A. Okay, now part B. Okay, part B. A quadratic function gx equals to, they give you in this form. Okay, this is the intercept form lah. Intersect x-axis at point M and N. Kalau dia cakap intersect x-axis, maksudnya x-intercept. Quadratic equation lah, x-intercept means your roots basically. Correct or not? Okay. And then they tell point M. Since it's an intersect x-axis, definitely your y is 0. And same goes to your n, right? Ada dua roots. Okay. The first root, the distance of point M is 5 units to the left of y-axis. Left hand side of y-axis is your negative 5, correct? And while distance, okay, this is your y-axis, your left hand side of your y-axis here, and another one is 3 units to the right of y-axis. So 3 units is here, so 3 0. So both of them are roots lah. Now the question is asking state the minimum point. That's it. Okay, so now it definitely forming a quadratic, right? Like this. So you always can find the minimum point. You got 2 points, so you can find your equation of symmetry, equation of axis of symmetry. No need to use the negative b over 2a. You just use the midpoint formula. The symmetry must be in between negative 5 and 3, correct now? So you find your midpoint basically. So it will be negative 5 plus 3 is 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So you get already x equals to negative 1. Equation of axis symmetry is basically x equals to negative 1 of your minimum point. Okay, now we want to find minimum value. Very simple. Substitute your x into your gx. Substitute x equal to negative 1. So you get negative 1. By the way, the plus p and plus q, we need to modify the one also. Okay. Now gx is equals to, they give you something like this, right? You know already, negative 5 and 3 are your roots, right? So we will write how? X plus 5, and for 3, we will write x minus 3. This is your PQ value lah. Okay. Kita kena update dia punya value. Try to relate everything. These are your roots, right? So when you want to write in a factorized form or intercept form, we need to write opposite way, right? So this is basic quadratic. Okay, now you find out what is your g value when it is x is negative 1. So negative 1 plus 5, negative 1 minus 3. This will be 4. This will be negative 4. So it will be negative 16. So your minimum point basically is what? What is your minimum point? Minimum point is your equation of axis of symmetry. That is your S. And your minimum value letak dekat sini lah. Combination of this will give you the minimum point. So which is negative 1, negative 16. That's all right. So yeah, that's how you solve this question.